This is Stu Ellis with your Illinois Corn Connection, brought to you by Illinois Corn. Dr. Girish Chowdary has assembled electronics, computers, robots, and agriculture to create the farm of the future at the University of Illinois, all in an effort to address a labor shortage in agriculture.
Really good at getting the work done. Very robust, and can get work done in the field.
That apparently is what's going to be needed in the future here.
That's right. Labor is a major bottleneck for adoption of sustainable practices, and even though we don't really feel that with corn because it's highly mechanized, it's still we've replaced a lot of the more sustainable methods like mechanical weeding with a lot of chemicals. So we're hoping that if we can address the labor bottleneck, then we can be more sustainable in the way we farm.
Okay, and then how far in the future are we talking about? You have a fascinating crystal ball,
Yeah.
but I'm not sure how far you are looking into that crystal ball.
So we just won the Farm of the Future, the NIFA-sponsored Farm of the Future award, and this is a 3-year award designed to accelerate technologies and bring them to market in the next 3 years. So we're talking about next 3 years. So this robot right here, right now, is deployed at some reasonable scale for crop breeding. But with the Farm of the Future, with our partners, we expect to launch and commercialize things like cover crop planting robots and Internet of Things for sensing farms and new types of communication technology that will make it easier to get high bandwidth data at the farm, even though you're in the middle of nowhere. So we're talking about 3 to 5 years. I mean, we can't really wait. So
That's not far away for farmers who right now are putting on a lot of herbicides and are spending a lot of hours on the planter. Is there anything that this can't do besides harvest?
no, so it doesn't do harvest, like you said. So the two key things we're going after is one is the cover crop planting. So we're hoping to do at least 1,000 to 2,000 acres this year. We did 100 acres last year. And then with the Farm of the Future, which is behind us over here, we'll have about 100 acres of cover crop right there. And then we're looking for farmer partners who will want us to go out and plant cover crops in their fields. This will be with little robots that look very much like this. And the second thing we're looking at is crop scouting with the robots also. And the third thing that we're looking at is communication networks that will enable better data at the field.
That's your Illinois Corn Connection. I'm Stu Ellis. To learn more about how Illinois Corn is working for you, visit www.ilcorn.org.